Chapter 8 FAQs. Number 1. Leo Plass graduated from Eastern Oregon University at age 99, earning him the Guinness Book of World Records title as the world's oldest person to earn a college degree. Number 2. Leanna will take her vacation sometime in July. Number 3. All personnel matters are now handled by our Human Resources Department. Number 4. Employees are not allowed to send personal email or text messages during work hours. Number 5. If you have some time to spare on Saturday, please drop by to help us. Number 6. New industry-wide standards should make it easier to distribute our products internationally. Number 7. To move on to the next step in the process. Number 8. To reach our offices, turn left onto Market Street. Number 9. Intuitive Research and Technology has a proven record of providing an exciting workplace for millennials. Number 10. We are supposed to earn a bonus at the end of the year. That completes Chapter 8 FAQs.